Hi, my name is John and I'm a product manager here at Sonodyne. We have some really great products that we were planning to introduce to you at Oceanology International, but we couldn't wait another 9 months to tell you all about them. Today I have the great pleasure of introducing to you SPRINT-Nav Mini, the most compact all-in-one subsea navigation for any vehicle. This builds on the knowledge and experience we developed as part of its big brother, the SPRINT-Nav. SPRINT-Nav Mini is the world's smallest hybrid acoustic inertial navigator, an all-in-one subsea navigation instrument. Designed and optimised for guidance, station keeping and autopilot operations, it will even navigate at altitudes of up to 200 metres thanks to its 500 kHz DVL. It really is revolutionary for observation, inspection, electric and drill support work-class ROVs. Just plug it in, give it a latitude and away you go. It replaces the need for 3 separate instruments, AHRS, pressure and DVL, by combining them into one housing. This reduces power consumption and cabling, providing a quicker and easier mobilisation, but that's only the start. Powered by the same hybrid navigation algorithms used in our SPRINT-Nav family, you're ensured continuous, fast, precise and robust outputs. We'll even pre-calibrate your SPRINT-Nav Mini so your installation is hassle-free. As you can see, there are 2 versions of SPRINT-Nav Mini, a plastic version designed to operate down to depths of 300 metres and weighing only 700 grams in water, and a titanium version designed for depths of up to 4,000 metres and weighing 4.2 kilos in water. Apart from this, the specs are identical, and both systems are a third smaller than competing systems on the market and have far lower power consumption. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about SPRINT-Nav Mini, just get in touch. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out what's new from Sonodyne.